Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Miss Oyo from Kenya in Africa, and today guys I want to cook something very delicious. And please, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. If you are a returning subscriber, guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So yeah, I just want to take you through the process, so please come with me. I show you. First of all guys, I'm going to the garden. I'm going to take some spring onion. Yeah, these are the spring onions, so I'm going to take them. Let me know in the comment section which type of onion do you normally use. Me, I love using this one. So let's cook this special meal, guys. And today I've been so busy because my daughter was sick and I just had to take her to the nearest hospital. So guys, I have already lit the fire here and I'm going to use this jiko. Yeah, this normally uses firewood, and so I'm going to cook this Irish potato. I already have my onions here. These are spring onions. I have my tomatoes here, and let's do this, guys. So please guys, if you are a new subscriber here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for all the returning subscribers. Thank you for the new subscribers. Please support your girl here. Yeah, and I'll really appreciate. So guys, I'm going to add in my Irish potato here. Yeah, so I'm going to add in my sufuria with this. This is what we normally use here to hold our sufuria. So I'm going to add in water. Yeah. Let me test if there is enough salt. It's nice. So guys, I'm going to close like this and wait for our food to get ready. Guys, my food is ready. It's ready, so let's take it off. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this is it, and it's very ready, so I want to remove it. Guys, I have some Githeri here. Wow, look at this. So I want to fry it and accompany it with the Irish potato. So this is the Githeri. So guys, wow guys, now my food is here. here, and it's very delicious. So please welcome and let's enjoy. And yeah. Please guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you until we meet again in the next video. Bye.